Hey y'all, so I just want to let y'all know that I'm not lying on the YouTube. I'm finna tell them the truth. I said, hey y'all, I just want to let y'all know that. And I ain't even finished. I just want to let y'all know that working out after being fat is the ghetto. So Kiana and I decided to hire a trainer, and I kind of want a refund. Nah, I'm just playing. He's a good trainer, but I'm tired. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm on my phone. I mean, I'm not on my phone anymore. I'm on my camera. So y'all, I'm gonna start making. Hey. Hey, Apple. So you broke my little thing, my little cooking thing. Okay, y'all, so purposeful vlogs only. So me and Kiana, like I said previously, y'all just saw, me and Kiana, we got a personal trainer. At first, she was against it because she was like, we can do that ourselves. We tried to do it ourselves. I back up too. We tried to do it ourselves. We realized that, what? Yeah. We tried to do it ourselves. We realized that we cannot do it ourselves because we too lazy. I also started work, so I've been a working RN for a month now, just trying to get in my schedule. But we have to eat right, and I've been bringing my lunch. I've been bringing my lunch to work, so that's been a start. But it's just been my mom's cooking. Nothing against it, but I need to eat healthier. So my trainer gave us a list of stuff, and I'm about to try to make garlic chicken bites with zucchini noodles, and I have everything. If y'all want to watch me make that, keep on watching. Okay, so I did a grocery run, y'all. I got some really cute pots. Let me show you my pots, y'all. Look at my pots, y'all. They're so cute. I think purple is like becoming one of my favorite colors, because y'all know my favorite colors is yellow, off rip, anything yellow. Look at that. These pots was $40. This set was $40, bro. HEB got everything. But I also took my braids out, and Taj did me this top knot. It's kind of wonky, but I want to use my pots. I just bought them. I want to use them. I'm gonna sit right. So I'm finna make the marinade, and for the marinade I need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let me wash my hands first. Corona going around, you don't want that. 2 tablespoons of, I bought this too, but I haven't had this. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons, yeah, because teaspoon, okay, whatever. 1, 2. I'm gonna move y'all over here. Oh, not on the stove. I'm also have like a salmon bake in the oven because I was hungry after I came from the gym. I'm finna, but this is my meal prep. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. I like sriracha, so I mean, not, it says sriracha. It say we use sriracha or a teaspoon of chili powder, but I like chulo hot sauce, so it's gonna take a minute. I said Cholula. So 1 tablespoon of Cholula, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of salt. Look at me following recipes. You sure this is a lot of salt, honey? Did my phone die? 2 teaspoons. This is a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of salt. Is not. I'm gonna just put that in there because that all dropped in there. So I feel like that's a teaspoon. What she did? She put the. It's over there. She didn't take out the box. Oh, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2. That's a lot of garlic powder. This chicken better be bussin'. Bussin'. Okay. It smells good. I love how garlic powder smell, bro. This is the marinade so far. I'm gonna have to like mix it around. Let me use this in. It's getting clumpy. I'm making a marinade, y'all. So then I'm supposed to chop the chicken breast up. Well, the chicken, I got chicken tenders because they're easier. Put it in there and cook it. So let it marinate, then cook. And I need to take my salmon out. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Oh. This is going in the fridge for 30 minutes to marinate some. Let's go right there. The fridge is packed because I went grocery shopping and my mama went grocery shopping, and I grocery shop not thinking that my mama did a full grocery shop. You know how sometimes your mama be like keep little stuff, so she got big stuff. So I'm gonna let that marinate, eat this, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna cook the rest of the food. Test this. It's like a stuffing with salmon and broccoli. So I'm gonna get a little stuffing, a little salmon first. This busting, bro. Oh yeah. Broccoli is broccoli. And it's hard, ain't got no seasoning on it. Oh yeah, these gonna be my go-tos when I ain't got nothing else. I'm probably gonna, well, my trainer gave us 1,500 calories a day. This is 560. So I'm gonna see if like this could fit. This is good. I'm gonna be back. I'm finna smash, bro. I'm back. Y'all, let's talk about Fashion Nova real quick before we get back to it. The chicken is still marinating in the refrigerator, but I need to put her in the bathtub and get her settled for bed before I finish anything I need to do. So let me tell you about Fashion Nova. Every time I order from Fashion Nova, I ordered something else. I was gonna say, every time I order with Fashion Nova, I always have to return something because either their sizes aren't consistent, and I know I'm a little bigger, but a 1X be too big and an extra large be like, I look like a stuffed boudin. So I always have leftover credits. Like I paid for this with, I paid like 74 cents with this for these shoes and these earrings because I had like $25 over. But I always wanted some mules because I think they're so cute. But they didn't have no mules in the wintertime, so.
Mommy, you ready to put her in here?
Yes. You gonna take her clothes off? You can take her clothes off for me, please. I just gotta finish showing them my mules. So I think they're cute. And I got it a size bigger because they shoes be running a little small. So I got it in a 9. I'm usually 8.5. But yes sir, got these, and I got these earrings. I just need to bite the barrel and buy me some real earrings to go in my bottom hole because I have some real ones that go in my top that I never take off, but I need some real ones to go in my bottom. But I'm always changing them. So I got these little earrings. They're interchangeable, so if I want to be big bank Bisha or small cute little It might look different with my little hole, but oh, Zuri's learning how to get potty trained, guys. She's going episode 5. Oh my god. But yeah, y'all, so I just want to show y'all my little mini fashion over haul to give this vlog some They see you. Say hi, my name is Zuri Ray. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where you stop? What? Mm-hmm. That's what happened today when mommy was at work? Yeah. Yeah. Put your jammy pants on. What? These are your pants. These are not mommy's pants. So yes, they are yours. Don't waste it. Mommy. Put your pants on and showing everybody your booty. Booty, 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 booty. Oh, no, you're so sweet. Pink, puka, pink, puka. I'm gonna bust open my new pots, guys. Oh, I'll be stepping it up.
Don't take fast from the ground. It's still hot and it took no time. Sorry. Oh, you throw it down there? Bless you.
Zuri is, ooh, these onions is good. I think it's that somebody grandma named that. Child, y'all done paid homage to this woman already. What? Put some water. Oh, they already got me crying in here. Hey guys, I'm back. So I done added the zucchini noodles in and I put the chicken back. This is how it's looking. I kind of messed it up a little bit because I was supposed to like let the chicken broth and the lemon juice and stuff like reduce. But I just put the zucchini noodles in there with the butter and I just and the chicken broth all at one time. But listen, it's gonna get ate. I mean, zucchini noodles taste like green, if y'all get what I'm saying. It just tastes green. That's all I can describe it. So I'm just mixing it, making sure everything mixed in so I can get like an even amount. Also, I got the zucchini noodles. Oh, y'all looking at my tummy. Also, I got the zucchini noodles from H-E-B that was already red. Spiral. Kim said, you better be a good YouTuber. Here's my garlic, what is this? Garlic sriracha chicken, even though I substituted the sriracha with Cholula and zucchini noodles. Say night night, Zoo. Say night night. Oh Lord. Keep this out your mouth. Say night night. I didn't say jump in the bed.
She did it to her friend.
Oh jeez. Bye y'all. Say bye mom. Say bye mom. She too busy watching these low budget BET movies.
That's Bella. That's some BET. What's wrong with that?
Bye y'all.